Teami Blends. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I have been seeing this brand all over Instagram and I'm super excited to test out some of these products. So I'll be doing a total unboxing, trial, review. I'm taking a whole week to try out these products and I'm gonna tell you how everything goes and what I'm experiencing and everything like that. So hopefully you guys stick around and share this experience with me. I just want to start off by saying that this baby came in the mail super fast, and the first thing I noticed was its adorable packaging. You guys, I mean, look at these gold hearts right here. It's like they know me. I like gold. I don't know, I'm just a gold lover. Even down to the fragile sign. How cute is that? Okay, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Okay guys, here we go. Ooh, look at the colors, how cute. It's like an Easter basket, like when I was a little kid and you get all the ruffles in here and you just can't wait to see what's underneath. Woo! Baby! All right guys, before I begin, by now you guys should know that I am huge into like health, fitness, being organic and taking care of your body. So that is what I love about this brand. Everything is natural. So the package I got was the 30-day detox, which consists of the Teami Skinny and the Teami Colon Cleanse. What's cool is that you can purchase these individual or you can do the package like I did. So because I got the 30-day detox pack, this is adorable. It comes with your own little calendar here so you can keep track on what you're taking, what day you're taking it. I also got a little tea infuser. Look how adorable this is, you guys. It's got a little leaf on top. All right guys, so I'm gonna start with my skinny tea. This one you could take 1 to 3 times a day. We got some interesting ingredients in this one. We got yerba mate, oolong tea, jayo gulam, lotus leaf, lime leaf extract, ginger root, and rhubarb root. Plant-based caffeine, that's what I'm talking about. So, without further ado, I'm gonna try this. That smells natural and I like that. So it says to just take 1 teaspoon and put it into your infuser, and if you don't have an infuser, you could just drop it right in. All right, I'm pretty sure it's been about 3 to 5 minutes, so let's try this out. So cute. That is nice. Baby, you would like this. You need to try this. It's not like an overpowering taste. It's a very like mellow taste, if that makes sense. I can taste the oolong in it, and I love oolong tea. Like that's one of my favorite teas. Absolutely, I can drink this all day, like hands down. I have like a problem in my lower abdomen area. I bloat a lot. Today I had a salad with balsamic vinaigrette and even the sodium in it just makes me like puff out. So this is meant to just kind of detox, anti-bloat ya, even like suppress hunger, and they say it's actually good to be like a coffee replacement. So this will be interesting because I am a coffee addict and coffee tends to sometimes just kind of make me crash and burn, and then it messes up my whole day and I don't like that. So if this works well enough, I just might try to switch to this in the morning, so we'll see how it goes. The colon cleanse I'll be trying out for you guys tomorrow. You take it before bed every other day. So I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow night. What's up, you guys? Okay, so now it is time to cleanse my colon. This one in particular, I'm eager to try. Okay. For my own personal reasons, but I'm not gonna get into that. And here we go. They advise you to do it 1 hour before bed, which is exactly what I'm doing. Oh my God, this is really cool. This says to allow 1 to 3 minutes before drinking. This is supposed to aid in skin complexion, which I'm all about that. And it also helps in like bloating and weight loss, so I'm curious. I can't wait to try this. Ooh. I love tea. I'm a huge tea person. Like, I live for tea. We got a whole cabinet full of tea, but especially ones with this many benefits, I'm like all for it. So this is definitely a perfect tea to drink before bed. This is very calming and soothing, and this is meant to knock me right out, for real. This has a lot of awesome ingredients in it. A lot of it I can't pronounce though. We got some senna leaf and root, hawthorn berry extract, lotus leaf, lime leaf and extract, psyllium husk seed. I don't know how to pronounce this. Phaseolus calcaratus seed, rhubarb root, porla cocoa stem bark, valerian root. That is so good, valerian root. I'm gonna go relax now, maybe watch some flicks, and I will see you guys in about a week or so. I'll see you guys soon, alright? Good night. Alright guys, it has officially been 1 week of my detox. For me, my personal experience, it took about like 3 days till I started really feeling a difference. Without a doubt, I definitely feel tighter, especially right in my lower abdomen area. That is what I was hoping to experience. I was hoping to kind of feel like less bloating and less of like a pouch down there. And I definitely feel like it has thinned me out a little bit, made me feel just like overall flatter. Noticed I was like peeing a lot, and which is awesome because it's definitely working. It's definitely getting rid of all the toxins and all that crud in my body that accumulates over time. But I definitely feel a difference drinking this. I feel like it has just shed like all that extra water weight that I'm just carrying around for freaking no reason. I feel much lighter, I feel thinner, I feel good, I feel energetic. I haven't taken a nap in quite a few days, so that's awesome. I just feel good, productive, I feel awake. I do notice that I'm not drinking as much coffee. I do still drink coffee because I am a coffee addict and I like the taste of coffee, but I do notice that I'll only have like a little bit in the morning, like half a cup. I can't even drink a full cup anymore. And I'm just switching over to the tea, and it keeps me going all day. I do not get any type of midday crash, which is awesome. I don't really get that constant hunger that like rules my entire existence like usual. You know how it is. Like I'll eat and then an hour later I'm hungry again. I feel like I'm held over for quite a few solid hours, and I just don't need to eat as much altogether. So yeah, my overall opinion of Teami Blends is definitely 2 thumbs up. I'm loving it and I'm gonna continue using it. I love detoxing. I love knowing I am treating my body with the utmost respect. They have like skincare, they have like face masks and scrubs, which is cool, which I think I'm gonna check that out next. They do have a bunch of different flavored teas with a lot of different purposes, such as like focusing or energy. Depending on what you need as an individual, they pretty much have you covered. And for any of you new mamas or mothers that are expecting, I know some of y'all subscribe to me, I see you. They also do have a tea for mothers that are nursing that's supposed to be very healthy for you while nursing, so that's cool. So yeah, definitely check them out. Check out their website. I will have all the links down in the description box and all the full details, everything cool like that down there. So if you guys see anything you like on the website, do not forget to use code ASHG15 at checkout and you will receive a 15% discount. I'm sure you guys will find something you love, just like I did. So thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.